Here we are at the end of the introduction. Now, you need to set specific times for your morning and evening meditation for tomorrow. Consider your availability and choose a time when you won't be disturbed. It's best if it's the same time every day throughout the course. For example, 4:30 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening. It's very important that your morning meditation starts early. The earlier, the better. Ideally, right after you wake up, no later than 7 a.m. The evening meditation should be no later than 9 p.m. and preferably not on a full stomach. I recommend eating your last meal 3 to 4 hours before meditating. Otherwise, you won't be able to meditate. Instead, you'll just be observing your stomach digesting food, which is a waste of time. Now, please open your meditation journal, and on the same page for day 0, answer the following questions. Write your responses below. What time will you start your morning practice tomorrow? Choose a time between 4:30 a.m. and 7 a.m. and write on the sheet in the following form. I will start my morning practice tomorrow at. Indicate the time you will start it. I kindly ask you to listen to me. I'll repeat this. It's very important to start your meditation between 4:30 a.m. and 7 a.m. You can say 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m., but you will notice a tremendous difference when you meditate, for example, at 4:30 a.m. By following these guidelines, you are already developing responsibility and determination within yourself. So, please write down your morning meditation time for tomorrow. And now write your response for evening time. What time will you start your evening practice tomorrow? Choose a time between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and write on the sheet. I will start my evening practice tomorrow at. And indicate the time you will start it. You can say 6:30 p.m. or 7 p.m., but you will notice a tremendous difference when you meditate before 9 p.m. and then go to bed immediately after meditation. So, let's wrap it up. Choose a personal space for your meditation. Prepare your meditation spot for tomorrow. Find any cloth that you will use to cover yourself during meditation. Follow the designated morning and evening practice routine. Tomorrow morning, at the time you set, move on to the next audio recording. This will be the morning meditation audio instruction for day 1. Try to start the meditation no later than 7 a.m.
This concludes today's introduction. Thank you for your attention, and we will connect again tomorrow morning.